What if you can remove unwanted object from your photo just like a miracle? As you can see here, in this video, we are going to do that. So without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, type here how to remove unwanted people from photo. Here is the option photoroom.com. Click over there. Just select a picture from where you want to remove unwanted objects from the photo. Here I am going to select this photo, and here I am going to select the people I don't want in my photo, and you can see the magic. See, it is just happening within a second, as you can see, and you can easily download the photo from here. From organizing your schedule to generating ideas, AI can be your ultimate helper. Stay tuned for everyday AI hack you need to know and to discover how AI can be your everyday assistant. Stay connected, share with friends, and subscribe for upcoming content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.